Hey guys, I'm super excited today to make one of my most favorite childhood dishes, and it's fried rice. I know that everyone loves fried rice, but this is a special fried rice for me because I grew up eating it. And it is Spam fried rice. It is really simple to make, consisting of only 4 ingredients, but if you stick around a little longer in the video, I'm going to show you how to make an even more delicious but a little slightly complex shrimp fried rice. First, we cut the green onions, and these are just onions that we just grow it perpetually on our window. What we do is just put some water in the glass, and after you use the green onions, we just pop it in here and it continues to grow. Just make sure that the window is not too hot, and your green onions should be fine. So, to do the green onions, I just cut it with scissors. I think I'm going to use all of them. Chop the green onions like so. Not too big, not too small. Make sure they are evenly cut. And the main star ingredient is Spam, the almighty Spam. This is just the one with 25% less sodium, so you can use any Spam from your pantry. And for 2 people, I'm just going to cut about 3 slices. They're about ½ an inch thick. Cut 3 slices like that. I'm gonna dice it up like so. Alright guys, so these are the main ingredient for the Spam fried rice I'm gonna make. We have ½ a cup of green onions, about a cup of the almighty Spam, 25% less sodium by the way. We're trying to be healthy here. 2 eggs, whipped, and about 2 to 2.5 cups of jasmine rice, cooked. Let's get started. I like my wok super hot. Put a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil. And I like to stir fry my Spam real quick to bring out some flavor. Just a couple minutes. And take it out. Then with the oil left over, I'm just gonna go ahead and fry my eggs. Now this method, there's a name in Chinese and it's called rice on eggs. It means that you cook the eggs first and then you put the rice. On the second half of the video, I'm going to show you how you cook the rice and then you put the eggs. I always keep it on high heat. Stir fry. A little bit of salt, a couple of pinches of salt, just a little bit of soy sauce. I would say about a teaspoon of soy sauce. You see a little bit of chard on the eggs and the rice, and that's what you want. You want the wok to be super hot. Finally, we put in a delicious spam. Oh, when you stir fry, sometimes you ask yourself, well, is my fried rice done? All I can say is, if it smells good to you, then it's almost done. I wish you have smell-o-vision. This is incredible. The spam, the rice. Now, this is what you want with day-old rice. This is all individual. The rice is all loose. Keep on stirring. So, this looks good to me. Then we go ahead and garnish with green onions. Here you go, guys. My delicious spam fried rice. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, for the other Chinese fried rice with shrimp and Chinese sausage, we have half a cup of green onions, about 6 giant prawns or shrimps, however you want to call it. We have about 1.5 chopped lap chong, Chinese sausage, and 2.5 cups of cooked jasmine rice and 2 eggs whipped. Let's go. Okay, for our second fried rice, again, very hot wok, a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can even use canola oil, anything that is neutral flavor. Probably not olive oil is not a good idea, because olive oil will really change the taste of the fried rice. It's a little nutty, so we want something that is neutral. And we're gonna put in the Chinese sausage. We want to bring out the flavor like we did with the spam. All right, you probably don't want to overcook the ham. See, you can kind of tell that it's getting a little crispy. That's what we want. Okay. Leave the oil there. Try and drain the oil out as much as possible. So for this second fried rice, I'm going to show you a technique where you're going to stir fry the rice first. Then you're going to coat the rice with eggs and color the rice, and you will see how the rice will be cooked individually, and it's going to be super fluffy. Then we're gonna add the shrimps at the end. So let's go. Stir fry the rice. You wanna bring the rice to temperature, because anytime you put the rice in, the wok cools down. So one, bring the rice. So what I like to do also, I like to season in layers. So let's season this rice a little bit. This is the first round of seasoning. I'm seeing that the rice get charred a little bit, and that's what you want. You want it to be a little charred. Brings out the flavor. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pour the eggs on the white rice. You want to cover the entire egg. I'm sorry, you want to cover the entire rice with the eggs. Then you want to quickly stir fry. You don't want to let it dry up. You want the rice to dry up with the egg. Now you can see how the eggs is now covering the rice, all of it. And I'm gonna keep on stir frying until the eggs is done. So when the eggs is done, you're gonna see how the rice is gonna start to show that it's gonna be like individually separated, and it's going to be slightly fluffy, and that's when you know it's time to add the next ingredient. Now, again, we're gonna season the rice with the eggs. Then we continue to stir fry. Then you ask yourself the same question. How do I know that it's almost done? It's almost done when it's smelling good. Now, can you see how the eggs is cooked and the rice is separated individually now? That's what you want. See how the rice is yellow? That's what you want too. So we add the Chinese sausage, give it a quick stir fry. Then it's time to add the shrimp. Now, you may ask, why am I putting the shrimp in last? Why don't I cook it? Because, as you know, it doesn't take that long to cook shrimp. And shrimp is a little sensitive, so if you overcook it, it'll taste rubbery. So, what you want to do now is just fold in your rice onto the shrimp, and when the shrimp changes color, it has kind of like a built-in temperature, right? So when the shrimp changes color, we know it's done. So keep on keeping on. Let's keep on walking. And remember always to use a hot pot, right? Let's cover the shrimp for a minute. Then we add about a teaspoon of soy sauce, not too much. And I like that sizzle. Keep on stirring the rice with the shrimp. We'll put in a half cup of our green onions. Keep stirring. As you can see, the shrimps, they're almost done. So, 2 more minutes. The rice is all separated, and some of them are charred. That's what you want. You want a nicely charred rice.
guys, I'm a lucky woman. I get to eat this delicious food almost every day. So try these dishes, you won't be disappointed.
If you like this video, don't forget to click and subscribe. And from our kitchen to yours, chin chin, cheers.
Chin chin.